Holzman here, another little video of this is my handsome boy. I got it running, rebuilt the motor on it. I got the orange coil hooked up to it, the stock coil I just set down. I've got the upside down there, new racing CDI. Got it sitting there. I got the plastics off made because I got a few things I got to do on here, but I'll do a cold start here, and well, that's cold. Been sitting all day. Starts right up. Can't ask for anything any better. That's the way a scooter's supposed to start, instantly. But that's the way it's supposed to start up, just instant as soon as you start it. And just so you know, it's cold. You know, I can grab the exhaust. Yeah, it's a little warm there, but everything else is cold. That's my little handsome boy scooter. I've got work in progress. Questions, comments, feel free, leave them below. Thank you.